Hello and welcome. I'm looking at hamstring stretches. So this is a standing hamstring stretch, and I think of this as being a bit like a courtly bow. So feet kind of hip distance apart, the usual kind of starting distance, and you pivot on one hip, so you're turning the other foot out on the heel, and then you bend your hip so you're facing the foot, as you're facing the space between, facing centrally, and you can support yourself by putting the hand of the same side on the leg that's straight and pulled up, and being up with the other hand, and that will focus the stretch into the back of the hamstrings and into the back of the calf. So that's quite a good one, but it does rely on having knees that are able to support you while you're doing this, and a back that can cope with that movement. So you're not rounding your back. So you're keeping your back quite straight. This is where you can almost feel that you're able to keep your back in neutral. So you're not sticking your bottom out and it's not slouched. It's just straight and neutral. I think of this as being a bit like a Renaissance courtly bow. So if you want to doff your hat, then that's allowed. That's absolutely fine. So that's quite a useful little hamstring stretch. I am Christina Raven, osteopath of Your Body in Harmony, and there is a subscribe button down there if you would like to subscribe to get more of these videos coming to you. I will see you again sometime soon. Stay well. Bye now.